Imagine a phone that folds in half, shrugs off dust, it's nothing, takes a dip in the pool without flinching, and still packs a battery big enough to laugh at your daily usage. Sounds impossible, right? Well, Google might be about to pull it off. And trust me, what they've cooked up for August 20th is about to shake the entire foldable game. Welcome back, viewers. James here. If you love staying ahead of the curve, go ahead and like this video, share it with your fellow tech fans, and subscribe for more deep dives into the coolest gear coming your way. So here's the thing, Google already teased the Pixel 10 Pro a few weeks back, and yes, they accidentally let slip an image of the entire Pixel 10 lineup. You'd think leaks would slow down after that, but nope. If anything, they're now coming in faster than your phone's refresh rate. And the latest, a crystal clear clip of the Pixel 10 Pro Fold actually unfolding, and it's a beauty. No shadows, no mystery angles, just a full view of that sleek visor camera bar and a hinge that looks more polished than ever. But here's where my jaw dropped. This might be the world's first foldable with full IP68 dust and water resistance. That's right, while other foldables are still dodging beach trips and dusty shelves, this one could be completely dustproof and waterproof. For context, last year's Pixel 9 Pro Fold was IPX safe, water only, no dust. Even Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7, as great as it is, only hits IP48, which means fine sand or flour could still cause trouble. If Google really delivers on IP68, we're looking at a foldable you can take anywhere without babying it. Of course, there's a catch. Whispers say the Pixel 10 Pro Fold Pixel Botch Torre might see slight shipping delays. But Google's not leaving us empty-handed. They've quietly dropped a teaser clip for the Pixel Watch 4. The design still rocks that smooth dumb glass and rotating crown, but now with a refreshed charger that clicks into place like it was always meant to be there. Small change, big quality, a life boost. Now, back to the Fold, because this isn't just a copy-paste update. There are 18 confirmed changes compared to last year. Some obvious, some so subtle you'd miss them unless you really looked. For starters, the hinge is slimmer, the crease is less noticeable, and there are built-in magnets for MagSafe style wireless charging. Yep, no more fiddling to get the coil lined up. It just snaps perfectly. Colors. The classic obsidian and porcelain are out, replaced with bold jade and sleek moonstone. Even the SAM tray's been moved to the top to make room for beefier dual speakers at the bottom. And while most brands are racing to make foldables thinner and lighter, Google's 0.3mm thicker, 0.2mm wider, and 1G heavier. Why? Because that extra space lets them stretch the cover display to 6.4 inches with thinner bezels and boost battery capacity to a chunky FEF 150 mAh. That's 9% bigger than the Z Fold 7 inside. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold runs the new Tensor G5, now built by TSMC on a 3nm process. Expect cooler temps, better efficiency, and smoother performance. Still not a benchmark champ, but plenty for what Google's AI-driven magic does. And yes, there's now a 1 TB storage option for the content hoarders out there. Cameras, same hardware, but a smarter image processor promises brighter, sharper low light shots in HDR that actually looks natural. Here's the kicker. If Google keeps the price close to last year's, it could seriously undercut Samsung and maybe even lure slab phone users into trying their first foldable, especially with the Pixel 9 Pro Fold already dipping under 900 in some deals. And if you bundle in their free year of Google AI Pro with 2 TB of cloud storage, that's icing on an already tempting cake. So is the Pixel 10 Pro Fold about to become the foldable to beat in 2025? If the IP68 rumor is true, if the hinge feels as good as it looks, and if that battery delivers, this might just be the moment foldables stop being cool but fragile and start being cool and bulletproof. I'll be watching closely, and you'll want to stick around because the launch is only days away and Google still has a few tricks they haven't shown us yet.